Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to share my one of the home remedy regarding to our eyes. So this video is especially for girls who are most possessive for the eyes, for the eyelashes especially. I am going to share that how you can make your eyelashes more darker, more longer and more stronger and more beautiful without using any mascara. So if you use this home remedy daily, then you will find very good results. It will help you in the growth of your eyelashes. It will make your eyelashes more stronger. So now let's start the video. If you have any finished mascara, like I have this mascara which is finished, so I will make one uh, uh, one hack, that remedy, or that will help you to, that you have to apply on your eyelashes daily for their growth. First of all, you have to take coconut oil. You can take it of any brand. I have taken a coconut oil of Parachute. It is very good. And you have to take gulab jal, rose water that you say, and one finished mascara. I have this finished mascara. So now you have to take one bowl, put few drops of coconut oil, only few, some drops of rose water, then you have to mix it. Then this mixture is ready. Then you have put this mixture in this finished mascara. Now I am not putting this because it has very narrow face. So the thing you have to do is that take this mascara brush and like this you have to apply it on your eyelashes, just like you apply mascara on your eyelashes. So if you do this home remedy like twice in a day, then you will get very fine results. Do it for 15 days, or it depends on the growth of your eyelashes. So you can use any type of oil. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, but do not use sunflower oil because it causes irritation. It causes inflammation in your eyes. So you can use individually also. Here I have used rose water and coconut oil jointly, but you can use coconut oil separately. Also rose water you can also use separately. So you have to put this in this finished bottle of mascara like this. You have to fill it. Then daily, twice a day, you have to apply this on your eyes, on your eyelashes. So it will definitely help you to get very beautiful eyelashes very soon. So do it daily. It is especially for girls. You will get very good results. So thank you so much. This was my today's video. If you like it, please tell me in the comment section and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.